So I took out the Samsung Galaxy A51 and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus for a camera showdown, as I'd like to see how the A51 fares against a flagship device such as the Galaxy Note 10. What is up guys, Izzy here and welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, please click on that subscribe button. Before we continue, you should note that the Samsung Galaxy A51 cannot possibly compare with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. They are not in the same league. The Note 10 Plus is a far more advanced phone, so performance-wise, the A51 doesn't stand a chance. But since the A51 has interesting camera specifications, I'd like to see how it fares with the Galaxy Note 10's camera. The A51 is a $300 phone, while the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus is a $1,000 phone, way more expensive than the A51. But the camera specifications on the A51 is actually interesting, and it makes you think it might just be as good as the camera on flagship devices when it comes to picture quality. Both devices have a quad camera setup at the back. The A51 has a 48 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel dedicated macro camera, 5 megapixel depth sensor, and a 32 megapixel front camera. While the Note 10 Plus has a 12 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel telephoto lens, 16 megapixel ultra wide, a time of flight sensor, and a 10 megapixel front camera. Enough with the numbers now, let's get into the real deal. So I took some photos with both of these devices. So I'm going to display them on the screen right now, see if you can guess correctly which phone took which photo. We'll start with the rear cameras. For the first three photos, we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus on the left and the A51 on the right. But this fourth photo was taken with the A51's macro camera. That's the one we have on the left. And on the right, we have the camera of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now onto the selfie camera. We know the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus has a 10 megapixel selfie camera and the A51 has the 2 megapixel camera. So does the megapixel count really make a difference in this comparison? No, let's not talk about night mode. The A51 sucks in this department. But I guess you want to see it, so here it is. I told you, it sucks. Now video recording with the front-facing camera on both of these devices. The A51 and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus shoot 4K videos at 30 frames per second on the front-facing camera. This is a sample indoors with less lighting, and both cameras seem to do really well. We have the Note 10 Plus on the left and the A51 on the right. Impressive, right? I think so too. How about outdoors with the front-facing camera? So this is 4K video recording on the front camera of both devices. The colors on the A51 is a bit warmer. Let me know what you think. The rear camera on both the A51 and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus shoots 4K videos, but the A51 only shoots up to 30 frames per second, while the Note 10 Plus shoots up to 60 frames per second. These are the camera samples. With what we've seen so far, what do you think about the Galaxy A51's camera? I'll leave you to be the final judge in the comment section. But in my opinion, for a $300 device, the camera is quite impressive and it comes close to the Galaxy Note 10 Plus camera. The photos snapped with the A51 were almost as good as those snapped with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Even though the extra megapixels did not exactly make the pictures the best, but you don't want to compare a $300 phone with a $1,000 phone and expect the $300 phone to beat the $1,000 phone, if you get what I mean. So how would you rate the Galaxy A51's camera when compared to the Galaxy Note 10 Plus? Let me know in the comment section. And also, how many of these photos were you able to guess correctly? Also, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.